Today, we have a 3-story building that needs cleaning.
Off. Pump is on. Voltage.
I will show you how I used the drone to get all the dirt off the building facade. We will also get to see some beautiful views as always. Let's go! We hit the road before 8 a.m., headed to a place known as Galali. The drive took about 30 minutes. Today's ice cream is a crazy cocktail of vanilla, green apple, chocolate, blueberry, and mango. This is Galali area, and as you can see, this building facade is quite dirty, but we are about to change that. We have 3,000 liters of water, which is probably more than enough, but I'd rather have more water than less water. The remote controller, the drone, the batteries, and the pipes are all set. We will be using a 15 degrees nozzle because it covers a wider surface area.
Off. Pump is on. Voltage 58.2. Speed. Voltage.
So that's coming out, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, okay, no problem.
After about 6 hours, we concluded the drone operation and had to land. These are some of the views from the rooftop. We experienced some rain on our way back, and this is a very, very rare occurrence in Bahrain. There are more drone videos in the pipeline, so make sure you're subscribed to this channel.